In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off the action of turning off your display in lock screen mode on your MacBook device due to inactivity. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select where it says Lock Screen. And then on the right side where it says turn display off when inactive, go ahead and click inside of here and just select never. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.